This is for every version of you. The new Kia Sportage.
Please welcome Senior Chief Designer, Kia Design Center America, Tom Kearns.
Good morning, thank you. Inspired by our Opposites United design philosophy, the new Sportage is ready for anything. This update delivers smooth surfaces offset by rugged, sheer forms and combines off-road confidence with modern cues. With every generation, Sportage becomes more capable, and we've reflected that visually through a bolder vertical grille to create a more confident and rugged image. Up front, you'll notice the Kia signature star map lighting with distinctive amber DRLs, while the rear star map features a unique, transparent look. The rear bumper is enhanced with a bolder design to emphasize its wide stance. Sportage models will offer all new alloy wheel designs ranging from 17 to 19 inches. Now on the inside, it's all about balancing bold, modern, high-tech elements with soft materials. And we've created distinct living spaces for the driver and the passenger. For the driver, we emphasize technology and capability with a new standard two-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel. It gives the driver access to dedicated drive mode and terrain mode switches for optimum control. Throughout the interior, Sportage introduces differentiated accent trim textures that not only add a touch of sophistication, but also resist fingerprints. In addition to designing a great new Sportage, we have focused on creating even more differentiation between the trims to deliver that perfect fit for each customer. The X-Line trim blends confident and rugged exterior features. Unique front and rear bumpers create a tougher image, and the ground clearance highlights the vehicle's capability on and off-road. The side mirrors, roof rack, and window surrounds are finished in gloss black, and the raised roof rack is ready to accommodate all your adventure gear. X-Line also supports exclusive 19-inch wheels. Now X Pro takes you even further off the beaten path with off-road hardware to match its rugged appearance. Moving from the ground up, that starts with BF Goodrich all-terrain tires on 17-inch matte black off-road wheels. The X Pro adds LED lights, LED projector headlights, fog lights to illuminate the trail ahead. Inside both the X-Line and X Pro trims, you'll find unique tread pattern stitching on exclusive synthetic leather seats. And now, to tell you why Sportage is as capable and sophisticated as it looks, please welcome Vice President of Marketing, Russell Wager.
Thanks, Tom. As you've already seen today, when Kia introduces a refreshed vehicle, we push the limits. We've done the same with the 2026 Kia Sportage. It starts with our panoramic display, which is expanding across the lineup, along with all the capabilities of our connected car navigation cockpit, including standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as over-the-air updates. Owners of hybrid models will enjoy the convenience of an available 10-inch heads-up display with capability to display onboard navigation or Apple CarPlay and Android Auto turn-by-turn directions. Smart Key with push-button and start is standard. And customers can upgrade to Digital Key 2.0 Premium for effortless vehicle access. Up front, there's optional memory for driver's seat and outside mirror settings. Power folding mirrors are also optional. And while they're enjoying best-in-class rear seat legroom, second-row passengers can stay plugged in with dual USB-C charge ports. Sportage is all about choices. And that's why it continues to offer the broadest range of powertrains in the segment. We've refined our hybrid and PHEV powertrains to deliver an uptick in horsepower. And now, terrain mode is standard for all all-wheel drive models, optimizing traction for conditions such as snow, mud, and sand. Sportage couples capability with confidence, thanks to a comprehensive list of ADAS technologies that grows even longer for 2026, with new standard and available features, including standard auto emergency braking with pedestrian, cyclist, and car detection, and standard hands-on detection. In short, whether you're an urban adventurer, an off-pavement explorer, or a daily commuter, there's a Kia Sportage for you. The new Sportage will arrive in Kia showrooms in the second quarter of next year, and most trims will be assembled right here in the US at our West Point, Georgia plant.